problems of type 2. Again I am reminding, the textbook does not differentiate type 1, type 2 and type 3. But for clear understanding, I am doing it. Type 2 examples are also not the linear equations in two variables. If you simplify, you will find that the degree of those equations are also 2. The degree of both the equations will be 2. So they are not basically linear equations, but we can solve these examples using the logic of this chapter. Okay, so let us start type 2 examples. These are the given equations where the denominator contains the term like a variable plus a number or a minus a number. Okay, so here you have 27 upon x minus 2, 31 upon y minus 3, similarly here also. So we write this equation as 27 into 1 upon x minus 2. This 27 is separated. 31 is also written as the coefficient. So this equation now can be written as 27 into 1 upon x minus 2 plus 31 into 1 upon y minus 3 equal to 85. Similarly, second equation can be written as 31 into 1 upon x minus 2 plus 27 into 1 upon y minus 3 is equal to 81. Now we are going to consider these two brackets as a and b. You can consider any variable. So I am considering this as a and this as b. So this equation becomes 27a plus 37b equal to 85. Okay, we have written 27a plus 31b equal to 85. Similarly, the second equation becomes 31a plus 27b equal to 89. By chance we have got a problem where the coefficients of x and y are interchanging. 27, 31, 31 to 27. So yesterday we have studied how to solve these equations. Once we add and once we subtract to get two new equations. So I have added equation 3 and 4. I got 58a plus 58b equal to 174. Dividing both sides by 50a, I get a plus b equal to 3. So I have obtained another simple equation in terms of a and b. Then subtract. Subtracting, you can subtract any equation from any other equation. So I am subtracting equation 3 from 4. So from this equation I am subtracting this equation. When you are subtracting, you have to be cautious. Okay. Therefore I have put a star mark. This is the warning that you should be cautious. So from the fourth equation, I am subtracting the third equation. Subtracting third equation from the fourth equation. So I am changing the signs of all the terms of the second equation. 31a minus 27a, 4a. 27 minus 31 will be minus 4b. 89 minus 85 will be 4. Divide both sides by 4, you get a minus b is equal to 1. So now we have obtained very simple equations. One is a plus b is equal to 3. Another is a minus b is equal to 1. Now these two are very simple equations. You can orally solve them. So let us add these two equations. Equation number 5 and equation number 6. I am adding them directly. Here a and here a. So addition will give you 2a. Here it is plus b. Here it is minus b. When you add opposite numbers, they cancel each other. So there will be no term containing b. 3 and 1 you add, you will get 4. So you get 2a is equal to 4. Hence a is equal to 2. Put this value of a in any one of the equations. So I am putting it in equation number 5. So I am putting the value of a equal to 2. Transfer it to the other side. Okay. You get b is equal to 1. So value of a is 2. Value of b is 1. Is that the end of the problem? No. Is it the final solution? No. From the values of a and b, you have to get the values of x and y. So a is equal to 2 means the original value of a is 1 upon x minus 2. So this implies 1 upon x minus 2 is equal to 2 because the original value is 1 upon x minus 2. Cross multiply, you will get 2x minus 4 is equal to 1. Simplify this, you get x is equal to 5 by 2. B is equal to 1. But what is the original value of B? because b is equal to 1 upon y minus 3. So original value of b is 1 upon y minus 3. So this equation implies this. Cross multiply, you will get y minus 3 is equal to 1. Therefore y is equal to 4. Now you are getting the value of x and the value of y. Okay? The values of x and y is the required solution. So the required solution is 5 by 2 comma 4. Okay? So what is the speciality of this? The denominator contains the term like a variable plus a number or minus a number, another variable plus minus some number. So this is type 2. These are not linear equations, but we can solve them using the technique of solving linear equations in two variables. Again, followed by some homework.